How's it going, gents? Here we are today with my KTM 790 Adventurer. I'm going to make a video of changing the stock exhaust to a SC Project exhaust. Just picked up this SC Project Rally Raid exhaust. It's just a slip-on, it isn't a full system, so I won't be deleting the cat. It's just be slipping on and taking over the stock muffler. So I'll start this up, give you a sound clip of the stock exhaust, which is super quiet. As you can hear, super quiet, basically no low end kind of sound or anything, deep rumble. So I'll quickly whip this off, chuck that on, and we'll hear what that sounds like. Just looks like one bolt, a little band down there, so this should be super easy. Should come off in a second. Alright, stock exhaust off. SC Project on. I swear that was going to be the easiest install of an exhaust I've probably ever done. Piece of cake, looks nice, little carbon heel guard, and it does have a spark, like a baffle. I think it's a spark arrestor, but a baffle in there. I'll try it with the baffle in, but I'm guessing I'm going to be taking it out. I think with the baffle in, it's going to be quite quiet. But it looks very nice. Let's fire her up, see what she sounds like. Probably 5% more rumble, I'd say. Very, very quiet still. You get a little bit of exhaust note. Very quiet still, very quiet. Yeah, I would say 5% more rumble. I'm going to take that out, see if we get a little bit more. That's still very, very quiet. One bolt, and this little phallic item comes out. A lot more hole in there now. I'm hoping this is it. I'm hoping this is the noise I wanted. Oh yeah, oh yeah. That's beautiful. She got a rumble now. Oh, yes, yes, she sounds good. Oh yeah. Still not stupidly loud. I said still got the cat and everything. But that's it. That sounds a lot more like NURBS 1190 than before. All you could hear is engine, but now you get a little bit of rumble from the exhaust. That's great. I'm a happy man. SC Project Rally Raid exhaust. What a winner. Beautiful looking exhaust. Alright, come out a little bit further out of my garage so I can give it a good rev. Let's go. Warmed up now.